Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We're here in the Trenchtown community, looking at the Vin Lawrence Park. You can see here under construction in the Trenchtown community. Vin Lawrence Park here in Trenchtown community. We are seeing here is a park under construction, the Vin Lawrence Park. It's just across from the Trenchtown Reading Center and Library, and across from the Trenchtown Culture Yard as well. And we're seeing a statue of Bob Marley that is now in disrepair. The king of reggae, Bob Marley. Alright, so man, because some items through the place, yeah.
They're on a different right now. The shadow is on right now, human rights.
Yeah, alright, just look about the way you know so far about the park here.
About the park, as I grew up, I know Mr. Sam. Mr. Samuel Reed, he was a boxer when he was in 9 days.
Yeah.
So I know him used to run the park. I know the park as Vin Lawrence Park.
Yeah.
But who I know used to run it is Mr. Sam. And the park is beautiful, just as a park. Them have, over here they have whole heap of flowers, you know. And them right up the tree are now. Just I think a pole is there. But before that wall built, the wall they built too violent.
Oh.
Because right here were fence, like, you know.
So maybe they plan to upgrade the park in the very near future.
So now they just build the wall now, so they have to put in infrastructure like the kids things like slider.
Oh, so that'll be a kids play area.
Yeah, kids play area. Up here, so now it's going to be like a stage show here. They might have an amphitheater up here. So.
Oh, amphitheater? Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, so you know them have planting.
Yeah, man,
right
bless
here,
up.
so we just do some cooking.
Yeah.
We build and stay, you know, as a high-class restaurant.
Yeah, man.
Together, because a country needs a togetherness.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are the government of the country. So if we give the task to the government and the government without the action, you know, things will move around.
Yeah, man, bless up, sir. Bless up, respect. You're having a court case here. It's COVID-19 exemption for an Ethiopian king. And they have a court case. Tell us about this court case here now. What this court case is all about now? Tell us.
It's all about our human rights. As you can see, our rights have been tampered with over the years.
Yeah.
So I, Mr. Lassie, I said certain rights, but I and I must live by. 30 article, it's there, so you can do the research on it. But this case now, we are looking for our international diplomat status.
Oh,
But we got through all the procedure already. So this one now is, you know, if 27th of this month, we'll have a case, but we need the people voice because it is for the people.
yes.
Because as we know, Jamaica have a central bank. We're supposed to help the people in Jamaica, build Jamaica.
Yes.
But the government, them just use it for themselves and overseas people.
And not for the local people.
Not for the people of Jamaica. But for the ones that come out and come tell for their human rights on the 27th of this month. So we are on the road doing some campaign. We meet Woody the other day and come on board. Because he take his idea. I don't have my idea. So I will show you the idea. Because I know show a slave master idea and take a new name.
Oh.
So my new name in this time is Ras Nature Forever.
Oh.
I say because when you have another man name, that means that that man own you.
Yes.
Just like if you're married to a woman and
yeah, yes.
So we need to know our history and know ourselves, know where we're from, know where we stand, and then we will know where we're going. So all the violence and crime will cut out because we know ourselves.
Bless up, bless.
Malcolm X, Paul Bogan, Nanny Taki, Martin Luther King, Kunte Kente, Kojo Shaka Zulu. We have to look for the ones them where did that deal with our economy, our equality.
Yeah.
We are Article 1, we are all born free, equal in rights and dignity. So the people them need to know them rights, you know.
Yeah, man, I see your thing.
One unity, you know, care and share.
Yeah, man, bless up. I'm Dudley Thompson. Media TV. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks in advance.